Let's just do a quick rundown of what's coming up this week. We've got a pumpkin contest. The pumpkin contest ends tonight at 4 p.m. Eastern time. Make sure that your children's carved pumpkin, painted pumpkin, sewn pumpkin, that a picture of it is in our Mighty Network right here inside the village so that we can announce the winner on November 1st. So we want to do that. Starting tonight, we are extending Minecraft, you guys. So we have a mom who has volunteered to stay a little later because we have our East Coast kids and we have our West Coast kids. And so we have Miss Hannah has offered to do Monday, Wednesday, Friday Minecraft night and extend those hours from 6 to 8 p.m. Right now we have 4 to 6 Eastern time, which is 2 to 4 for us here on Mountain Time. And then Miss Hannah's offered to stay for 2 more hours so that we can get our West Coast kids in there as well. And then if the East Coast kids want to stay, I mean, you know, they can do the full 4 hours if that's really what they want to do. I personally make my kids earn it. Like if you're going to be playing on the computer that long, boy, you better make sure that homework and jobs are done and that he's earned that time. But it's allowing them to be in and out a little more. So know that that's also out there. The world or Zoom will not change, just the teachers. So Anne will be like, bye-bye, and Hannah will be like, hello. But the world stays, the Zoom stays, everything will stay. So your kids can come in and play a little bit longer. Please know we do have a homeschool mom on all the time, keeping our kids safe, keeping them entertained, not entertained, but really just working together well. And then Miss Hannah has also offered to do a mock election for an elementary school. She's going to work with Miss Lori, and inside our Elementary Explorers program, we're going to do a mock election so our children can understand what's happening right now. So for those of you parents who are really wanting your children involved with the election and what's going on and how to explain it better to them, Miss Hannah and Miss Lori are going to do that for us. So make sure your kids are in there. Now, it is meant for the Elementary Explorers, so make sure that your kids are getting to be a part of the election process. High schoolers are learning it today. So there you go, in the Constitution class. High schoolers are also working on the elections and the process and all of that. So we want to know if our parents or the kids here in the group want to do an election party night. So we'll come online, do a Zoom, and we'll follow the election together. We'll discuss it. We'll see what that means. So there is a poll for the kids to vote and watch party election night together. Okay, that's also coming up. So that will also be posted. See everything that's going on here in the village to keep your kids happy and to keep you happy. We really are here to take it off your plate, guys. So Anne will be hosting a not Halloween party. Now we say this because the religious aspects of Halloween can take on some pretty eerie, ugly, icky ideas. And so as Christian women, we want to be careful with that, right? And so we're hosting a not Halloween party on Halloween night where we're going to watch the Charlie Brown's Great Pumpkin. So there'll be a little movie night for those who might be trick-or-treating or may not want to trick-or-treat but are still looking for something for their kids to do. Show up here in the village. Miss Anne's going to host a little Charlie Brown's pumpkin movie night for our kids to sit and do. I'm thinking my child will probably do some early trick-or-treating and then head in and bring his candy in and eat it during that movie. And then one last thing, one of our moms here in My Homeschool Village has volunteered to begin hosting a books and bricks class Tuesdays at 5 p.m. What that is it's basically like Lego. It's a chance they're going to come up with like a topic. So there'll be a book which will create a topic for Lego building that your children can then go build Lego something with and come back and do a show and tell of what the book inspired this build and here's what I created. So our children can do a little show and tell Lego time. So it's really a Lego club based on books. So that will be starting November 5th and it will be Tuesdays at 5 p.m. So make sure if you want your kids to be part of that, go get them in. So just show up. It will also be posted here in the group. So make sure you guys, that you've got your app on your phone so you're not missing these. When we go live, the computer or your phone will tell you they're live, the class is going on. Make sure you get into the groups and that you say, yes, please notify me so that you can make sure you're getting this information. So that is what's going on in the next week or so with our kids and the things that are happening in their lives.